So there's difference between a protein deep conditioner and a moisturizing deep conditioner. There are two different. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel, Natural Empress. Here I share hair care tips, hair growth tips, simple, cheap and easy ways in which you can grow your hair. If you have been trying to grow your hair and you've not been able to do that, you are in the right place, sis. Please don't go anywhere. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, because you are encouraging me, you are helping me to grow, to make more videos. Because right now I'm talking to myself right now. There is nobody here. Sometimes it feels weird talking to yourself. So when I have people viewing my videos, I get encouraged that, oh, I'm producing something that people are actually watching and learning from. Subscribing to my channel actually encourages me to produce and make more videos like this. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I see you. God bless you. If you've not subscribed, kindly join the family, join the Natural Empress tribe. So you're all welcome. So today I'll be unboxing products given to me by brands. Okay, I got this gift from brands. They gave me to try it out. So today I'm going to start with Shukhura. Oh, this is carrying my address. Shukhura Incense and More. So Shukhura Incense and More is a Nigerian brand. Please help our economy and get more products from Nigeria. Please, it's a black-owned business, Nigerian brand. So all their products are specifically for hair growth. So here I have Shukhura Chebe lip conditioner with argan oil. So for all hair types, apply to damp hair, massage, ensure the hair is well saturated, style as desired. So here are the instructions. So this is good. Let me see. It smells like our foreign shampoos that we normally buy, though it smells good. I've not tried it out. So a video is going to be dropping on my Instagram page where I'll be using these products. I'll be giving a review on this product. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please consider following me to get different content on hair. So this is their deep conditioner here. So I have their Shukhura Chebe shampoo with argan oil too. So Chebe shampoo with argan oil. This smells nice. The smell is supple, it's not too strong. So if you're someone that is sensitive to smell, I think this is for you. So this is great. Here I have the Shukhura Chebe deep conditioner. So this is a deep conditioner with argan oil for all hair types. It says for all hair types. So it smells just like any of the foreign shampoos we buy that are being imported from abroad. This smells nice, and the smell is not so strong because personally I'm someone that's so sensitive to smell. So it's not so strong. So here I have the Shukhura Chebe hair cream. So this is their Chebe hair cream. Can you see the color? I can't wait to try this out. From Shukhura Incense and More Chebe hair cream. So here we have the Shukhura Chebe hair spray. Okay, this is a hairspray. I think you use it in place of water. I think you can use this in place of water. Personally, I've never used the hairspray before. I only use water, so I'm going to try this. I'll try using this. It says essential oils, sandalwood, and chili powder liquid extract. Okay, that sounds nice. Here we're having the Shukhura Chili hair serum. This is their hair serum. I'm yet to try it out. I've not tried it out, but let me see how it is. It smells, I think their products smells uniform. Yeah, they all have a uniform scent that comes with products. And here we're having the Shukhura chili powder. Yeah, I'm not new chili powder, but this has, from what I'm seeing here, it has lavender, croton, prunus, mahalab, that's misik. It has amla, it has ginseng. Wow, this is so rich. It has barbacoa oil, Jamaican black castor oil, etc. That's a good one. So we have the Shukhura chili super growth oil. This is their super growth oil. So this will definitely be for the scalp. So anything growth oil for the scalp. So here we're also having the Shukhura chili butter. So Fulatica healthier hair for women and men. Yes, for women and men. If you want to grow your beard, if you want to grow your hair, as a guy, man, you can use this chili butter. I always tell my friends that if you want to grow your beards, your hair, you can use this. So I have the Shukhura cacao oil. This is gotten from chard soup. Your cacao oil for hair growth. This, you can use it to make a paste with your chili powder. You make it into a paste and apply it to the hair. We have the ambuno powder. So if you want to know about ambuno powder, I have a video where I used this particular powder and made a video and review on how it felt on my hair. So I'll be putting the link down below so you can check that video out. So that's all for Shukhura incense and more. So without wasting much of your time, we are going right to the next brand. Yeah, full hamper basket. I don't know what they call it. Call it basket. It's so beautiful. So here, ORS gifted me with their olive oil creamy aloe shampoo. Their creamy aloe shampoo. I've actually used their products before, and the sleep on these products is super. It has so much sleep and it's clarifying to the hair. So this is their replenishing olive oil ORS replenishing conditioner. Penetrating hair conditioner helps to increase moisture and repair damaged hair. So I've used this before. This is actually a protein dip conditioner. Here it is. This is a protein dip conditioner. Considering using these products, I would say just use it once a month or once in 6 weeks. Please don't use it weekly, don't use it bi-weekly, or you wouldn't like the outcome. So it's a strengthening deep conditioner. So this is their hair mayonnaise. I have this a range, their range of products which I have never tried before. This is ORS hair mayonnaise. This is, I have never tried this before, so I'm also going to be making a video where I'll be using this on my Instagram page at natural4c_empress. So if you want to see how I'll be using this, you can just go to Instagram. I don't know when that'll be dropping though. So here it says it has conditioning treatment for damaged hair, enriched with olive oil, egg protein, herbs, and wheat germ oil. So the writing is too tiny, I can't strain my eyes here. So this is a hair mayonnaise with olive oil and egg. It says there that it has egg protein. So this is a strengthening protein. It is also a protein deep treatment. So if you want to use this, I would advise you use it once in 6 weeks. I wouldn't advise you to use it all the time because it is protein, it is strengthening. We want to strengthen our hair and we also want it to have moisture. So there is difference between a protein deep conditioner, a strengthening deep so there's difference between a protein deep conditioner and a moisturizing deep conditioner. There are two different things. So you wouldn't want to use this weekly. If you are decided to wash your hair weekly, you wouldn't want to use this weekly. So these are all the products. Thank you, Shukhura Incense and more. Thank you, ORS Africa. Shout out to Shukhura Incense and more and ORS Africa. So if you got to this point, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Dear, you are encouraging me to know that as I'm talking to myself, you're actually listening to me. Thank you so much. Bye.